Now look at that breakfast. That looks good. So let's do Vinnie's. 1 through 20. Good luck, everybody. 10:04. Oops. Scroll this over just a little bit. There's your 10:04. There's your proof.
Yeah, you can do cadence. You got one, I got like 10. Yep.
All right, here's your refresh, security, and connection check. All good. And again, we're doing 1 through 20, folks. Go back to random, do a quick refresh, and we'll do 1 through 20. Good luck. Your winner is number 3. Congratulations, number 3. It's 10:05. Number 3 is Don. Congratulations, Don. You are the winner. Final timestamp. It's 10:05. 10:05. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. I'm going to enjoy my breakfast now.